Good morning everyone. Hello mga guys, mga karels. Here's my daily routine. Earlier I will cook dried fish, this one. Okay. Itong dried fish at saka yung lumpia. Ito, iinitin ko na lang yung fish stick. Itong fish stick. Isda at saka mayroong kikoman. Nilagyan natin ng kunting bawang, itong bawang. Kailangan din talaga, at saka olive oil, at saka yung tuyo. Kunting tuyo, at saka yung instead na so iodized salt, tuyo ang nilagay natin ng fish stick. At saka yung bawang ang kailangan importante, at yung olive oil at saka kikoman. Okay, sisimulahin natin ngayon mga guys. Lulutuin natin ito, yung dried fish at saka yung lumpia. Okay. Hi, hello. So, konti lang itong apoy. Okay, ito mga guys. Tingnan niyo mga guys. Okay, naluto na mga guys. Okay. Bye. Thank you for watching.